Welcome to ThermoGuard. With many decades of experience, ThermoGuard are proud to manufacture and supply highest quality, fully tested, specialist fire protection coatings, paints, and varnishes, which easily meet or exceed the exacting standards required by the authorities. Changes to 2023 building regs now take into account toxic smoke levels in the event of fire. We at ThermoGuard have tested our product to these BS and EN standards since 2014, ensuring safe Class B, S1, D0 upgrades to many surfaces in just one or two coats. Our products are manufactured from the highest grade materials and use the highest industrial manufacturing standards. ThermoGuard products are environmentally friendly and with clear instructions are safe and simple to apply. We regularly update our products to meet changing standards and requirements. The following is a brief introduction to some of our range. ThermoGuard Smoke and Flame Retardant Dual Coat is a new generation of fire retardant top coat and maintenance paint that can be used as part of a flame and fire retardant system for timber surfaces, protected with ThermoGuard Timber Coat internally and externally. As part of a complete system, it controls surface spread of flame and fire propagation, total smoke control, flaming droplets and particulates to BSEN, Class BS10. When used as instructed with ThermoGuard Timber Coat, ThermoGuard Smoke and Flame Retardant Dual Coat completes a system that meets new fire regulations standard BSEN, Class B S1D0, and complies with British Standard Class 1 and Class 0 surface spread of flame for 30 and 60-minute protection. Safe Walls. One Coat Antiviral Smoke and Flame Retardant is an antiviral and fire protection system for painted-in walls, achievable with just one coat. The protective barrier created protects against known bacteria and viruses, but also prevents flame spread and toxic smoke. Independently tested to the highest standard of Class BS1D0. ThermoGuard Safewood Antiviral Varnish is available in matte and satin finish. It is a decorative and protective varnish finish applied over Safewood systems and ThermoGuard Fire Varnish Base Coat. Ideal protection for hand contact areas with doors, frames, window sills, and other wood surfaces that could create a potential infection risk. Our Safewood system controls toxic smoke and flaming particles and achieves fire rating BSEN Class BS2D0 when installed over our Fire Varnish Base Coat. ThermoGuard Safe Ceilings One Coat Ultra Matte is a flame retardant intumescent protection system achieved in a single coat for painted or new primed ceilings. Also, an insulating finish for ceilings when painted over safe walls. Insulating base coat where only one layer of plasterboard was fitted instead of two, and may require increased fire resistance, achieving fire rating EN Class B S1D0 in Class 1. ThermoGuard Exterior Fire Varnish Overcoat is a two-component fire protection varnish system with the option of a clear or stained finish. For fire protection of timber and timber derivative substrates, our varnish provides a tough, durable finish for doors and regularly washed or external wood. Clear or stained finishes enhance the natural beauty of the wood, while fire protecting new and previously varnished surfaces. When exposed to fire, ThermoGuard Exterior Fire Varnish expands to create an insulating barrier, protecting timber surfaces from flames, heat, and oxygen, and suppressing emission of deadly smoke and gases. Fire rating EN Class BS2D0. ThermoCoat WI and WO is a water-based intumescent paint system, providing fire resistance to structural steel and cast iron that may be applied by brush, roller, or airless spray. The heat of a fire triggers a catalytic reaction, causing the expansion of an insulating char layer up to 50 times the paint thickness. This layer keeps the steel below its critical temperature, thus maintaining the structural integrity of the building. A compatible decorative overcoat system, available in a range of water-based colors, ensures the system will enhance the building's architectural and design features. ThermoGuard WallGuard Smoke and Flame Retardant is specifically designed to protect over existing multi-layer paint, covering existing paint layers, saving time and cost on wall preparation while still achieving BSEN Class B S1D0. In addition to our fire protection, we also offer antimicrobial and mold protection through our Protection Paints range. Protection Paints. Zero Mold is an innovative, top-quality anti-mold paint that stops toxic black mold and other common molds and yeasts, suitable for use on interior walls and ceilings. Wet scrub resistant, enabling it to maintain efficacy in areas that require regular cleaning programs, particularly bathrooms and kitchens, and independently tested to standard BS 3900 Part G6. Protection Paint's ViraGuard is our top quality antiviral and antimicrobial paint, specifically designed for use on doors. In situations where cleanliness is key and limiting the transfer of infection is vital, doors play a major role due to the increased contact that they must withstand. Unless protected hand contact with doors, frames, windowsills, and other commonly heavily trafficked areas create a potential infection risk. Class 1 wet scrub tested to ISO 11998 enables it to withstand day-to-day cleaning regimes without compromising its protective barrier and extends redecoration cycles. Protection Paint's ViraProtect is an air-drying waterborne antiviral and antibacterial paint system, leaving a smooth and durable satin finish in just one coat. Proven to resist scuffing in high-traffic commercial and residential settings, making it ideal for walls and corridors, stairwells, and lift lobbies with Class 1 wet scrub rating, resistant to ISO 11998. Meets and exceeds requirements of health building. Note 0010, Part B, walls and ceilings, maximum opacity, 50% greater than other paint brands to save coats and extend redecoration cycles. Protection Paints. Asbestos Protect is a top-quality decorative sealer coating based upon a unique, highly adhesive resin, highly plasticized for outstanding flexibility to withstand normal movement within a building. Water-based, solvent-free, low-odor asbestos Protect seals rigid, sound asbestos within buildings, which are not subject to mechanical damage, concealed, or are difficult to access. Also used to seal in isolated asbestos fibers remaining after primary asbestos removal has taken place. Asbestos Protect, effectively, prevents the release of asbestos fibers into the atmosphere by encapsulating them and permanently bonds any residual asbestos fibers after primary removal. Protection Paint's Mold Guard is our standard mold protection paint. It will bond to existing paints, either solvent-based or glossy, and will even bond to ceramic tiling and formica without sanding. The paint contains a biocide that serves as a protective shield against fungal degradation. Due to these protective properties against mold and mildew and as a moisture-resistant paint, Mold Guard is ideally suited for areas with persistent humidity and poor air circulation, such as bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, etc., fade-resistant, wipeable, mold, and mildew-resistant, and can be colored. And finally introducing Great British Paints, an all-new range of premium, professional quality paints with high opacity, quick drying times, durable, easy to use, and available in a range of colors and finishes. A simple and uncomplicated range of quality paints without the premium price tag. Great British Paints. Let's paint Britain great again. To finish this introduction to ThermoGuard, we will now show you a quick demonstration of one of our products under test conditions, so you can see just how an intumescent protective layer really works.
Here we have two panels of the same type of timber. The one on the left is coated with ThermoGuard Timbercoat Intumescent base coat and finished with smoke and flame retardant top coat. The other is coated with a standard decorative finish. Using these burners, we are going to simulate the effects of a fire on these boards and show how the fire protection system works. So here we can see how the Timbercoat base coat is protecting the timber underneath from the effects of the heat and flame from the burners. On the board with the standard system, we can see that the burner has quickly burnt through the paint and is now attacking the timber underneath. After 10 minutes, we can see that the board coated with the standard system has completely burned through, allowing the flames to reach whatever is behind. So our board protected with the ThermoGuard system has formed a char layer which has insulated it from the effect of the heat and flames, and the flame retardant top coat has kept the flames isolated and stopped them spreading across the surface. There are many surfaces that can be protected with a fire rated system. The level of protection, the type of surface will dictate the system required. Please contact us for help and advice.